Today our topic is about home insurance in USA. Now we go to Google and search here home insurance in USA. So we found some sites here. Now we click this website and know about home insurance in USA. Best homeowners insurance companies. According to our analysis of more than 10 home insurance policies and 15 companies, the best homeowners insurance company is Amica. In our review, we evaluate key factors for selecting a home insurance company, including standard cost, dwelling and structure coverage, identify theft protection, valuable possessions coverage, and available discounts. Homeowners insurance provides protection for what is the biggest investment you may make in your life. The right policy can help pay for damage due to fire, theft, a severe storm, and a lawsuit if someone is injured on your property. That makes choosing the best homeowners insurance company and policy important. The best homeowners insurance companies provide comprehensive coverage along with excellent customer service, an efficient and easy to navigate claims process, and competitive pricing. We completed an analysis of 15 companies to find the best option for you. Take giveaways. Amica is the best rated company according to our study. It offers numerous insurance policies along with options that pay dividends. Choosing the best homeowners insurance company involves finding the right mix of coverage option, affordability, and reliable customer supports. Understanding your coverage options help to ensure you get the right policy to protect your home and belongings. Our best homeowners insurance rating: Amica, State Farm, Allstate, USAA, Nationwide, Air Insurance, Lemonade, Chubb, Liberty Mutual, and Travelers. Best home insurance companies in detail. Amica. Review. Amica offers two different homeowners policies: the Standard Choice Plan and the Platinum Home Choice Plan. The Platinum policy includes everything in the Standard Choice policy and coverage that would be optional with the Standard policy, such as water backup, replacement cost coverage for personal belongings, and expanded coverage for computers and business property. Both of these policies also have the option of paying dividends. A policy that pays dividends may return a percentage of your annual premiums to you. The downsides are that a policy that pays dividends is generally more expensive than one that does not. Payments are not guaranteed, and it is not available in every state. Availability. Amica sells policies in 48 states and Washington. It does not sell policy in either Alaska or Hawaii. State Farm Review. With an average monthly premium of almost $89, State Farm is the least expensive insurer in our rating for which we have rate data. It is the almost three times less expensive than the most expensive entry in our rating. On the downside, according to our data, it has fewer discounts than other companies in our rating. It offers several options to help you bulk up a policy, including coverage for identify theft, home systems, service lines, energy efficient upgrades, paying to upgrade damaged items with more energy, efficient replacements, as well as higher coverage limits for business property and valuable personal belongings. It has a large network of agents throughout the country, which is good because you will have to purchase a policy with an agent. Although once purchased, you can use its mobile app to pay your premiums and file and track claims. Availability. State Farm sells new policy in 47 states and Washington, according to its website. New homeowners policies are not being written in California or Rhode Island. Allstate review of the companies we have rate data for. Allstate is the most expensive. However, this could be mitigated by the number of discounts it has available. There are discounts for everything from bundling with an Allstate car insurance policy to being a non smoker. There are a number of add ons available for a standard policy. You can get common extras like coverage for water backups and valuable items as well as less common extras like coverage for home sharing or upgrading to more energy efficient items after a covered loss. If you have a home business, you can also get higher limits for your business property. Availability. Policies from all states are available in 49 states and Washington. New policies are not being written in California. Residents seeking an online quote in California will be redirected to an online insurance provider Hippo owned by all states. USAA review. Homeowners insurance from USAA is only available to its membership, which is restricted to current and former members of the military and immediate family members.